The biggest mistake most store owners make is thinking that a Facebook page is even remotely close to something like a Shopify website. And I get it, everyone tells you that Facebook is where all of your friends are at, and you can now sell through Facebook, so why take them off of Facebook? It's easy to fall into this trap. But let me ask you this, does every store owner who has a Facebook business page have a successful e-commerce brand? Are they a successful store owner? No, and you could actually hurt your reputation as a brand by not having a website and only doing business on Facebook if you continue to hold on to that belief. So how do you get a store that represents your brand and is built to drive more online sales? You create a store on Shopify and then create content on Facebook and Instagram to drive more traffic and sales to that new website. So let me ask you, do you really want to keep thinking that Facebook is going to be your end-all be-all for a successful brand and potentially never grow your online store? Or do you want to create a successful brand that your customers can trust? If so, you need to check out our Sales Accelerator process, a proven system to help frustrated store owners become an impactful store owner and generate consistent sales in their store. Schedule a free strategy session by clicking the link below.